In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an AI automation that filters through your emails and sends you a notification for any critical emails so you don't miss any in the future. Let's get into it. So let's go back to where it started. A few weeks ago, over the weekend, we were looking through our emails as we normally do, and we noticed that there was a suspicious activity that someone has actually purchased a subscription to an adult website. Because this event took place in the early hours on a Friday morning, throughout the day we had our normal intake of regular emails. We never noticed it on Friday, and only until the weekend came about, where we were finalizing through all our work emails, that we noticed that someone had actually used one of our bank cards and made a purchase to an adult website. So I'm creating this video to help out anyone out there that if you want to get critical emails sent to you on time so that you don't miss it, then this is just for you. Okay, let's have a quick overview of how this automation works. So our first module is the webhooks module, which would receive the emails when the emails are received. Then after that, it's going to pass the emails directly onto an AI agent, which is going to analyze the email to determine whether it's an urgent email or not. Then it's going to record it down in a Google Sheet so that we can have a track record of the past history. And after that, there is going to be a filter which will only allow urgent emails to go through, which then will pass it onto a Slack message. So let's get started. Okay, we've just opened up a new scenario here. So let's just give this scenario a title: Demo Urgent Email Message. So to get started, we're going to click Webhooks and we're going to click Mail Hook. Be sure that the symbol here is a lightning so that this module will take action as soon as it receives an email. We're going to create a custom webhook for this. Demo Urgent Email. Copy address on the clipboard. Next thing we're going to do is go and create a forwarding address in our email account. So once you get into your email account, you want to go into Settings, Forwarding, add a forwarding address. And what you want to do is paste it in there. Press Next. Now it's going to ask to send a forward email there. Now before you proceed with that, you need to go back to the previous screen. Once back here, you want to click Run Once. This way it's waiting for the information to be sent. So then we click Proceed. And you see that the email is sent. What you need to do next is open the text section here. You have to authorize this link request. So what you want to do is copy this and go to the address. Click Confirm. Once you're back in your email account, you want to go to Filters, then create a new filter. Select the email address that you want the AI agent to look for. Forward it and select the address. Now you want to head back to make.com. The next thing to do is to add the AI agent. Select OpenAI, select Create a Completion. We're going to select Turbo 3.5 today. Go to Message, select System, add in a system message. So here's the system message which I've created. You are an experienced email classification assistant that accurately categorizes emails based on their content. Add a new message, select User. I've created a prompt, so I'll enlarge the prompt for you to see. Classify the following emails whether urgent action is required, so on and so forth. So this is the instructions to the AI agent. Below that is examples of how we want them to respond. So if it's an urgent email, then it'll use the keyword urgent, and then a quick phrase for a short description. If it's none, then it will classify as none. Then down below, what we want to do is redirect the messages from the webhook that's come through into this. You want to make sure that it's the right color here. So right now, as you can see, it's black. That means it's not valid. From an address. So we got the name and the address. Subject. And then the context is the text of the email, which is here, text. Done. Max tokens. We'll put the max tokens of that 1,000. Going forward, we're going to create a Google Sheet doc. Before we do that, we need to go create a Google Sheet. In this sheet, we'll just need some basic information. We'll start with the date. We'll add a sender. We'll add the subject. We'll add the result. That's it. So then what we need to do is that you need to go up here after the D and select all this information between the slashes. Come back here. Then we want to search from select all. Paste it in there. Select the sheet name. Does it contain headers? Yes. And then here we can put in information. So the date, we can choose the date of the email, the sender, the title or the subject. The result can be the result from GPT, and that's all we need. The next module is the Slack module. We want to send a message. From there, we can probably select from the list. We can do a direct message, and we can select the user. And the message can be from the result of the GPT. Last thing we need to do is set up a filter. So what we need to filter is the message from the agent if it contains the word urgent. I hope this short tutorial helps you in your business, and I look forward to creating more AI automated systems to help your business. Thank you.